Hey guys, with all things collectibles, I'm going to do a box break of the Goodwin Champions Upper Deck. It's kind of a retro baseball set. Supposed to get 3 hits a box, 20 cards a pack. Hopefully we'll get something good. Here's what the packs look like. Kind of thin. Hell, see-through actually. Be careful if you're buying them by the pack. First pack. That's what the base cards look like. 2 minis. And one of the 20th anniversary Jack Nicholson. One of the minis says Gypsy Queen on the back, so it's probably a short print or something. Alright. Got some karate guy, Joe Louis. Another one of these little minis, and I got a Tim Lynchcomb jersey. It's not numbered, I guess. Single color, but you know, hey, he's the one to get. Phil Necro. Kistler, Halp. Another mini. I guess you get a mini every pack. Every once in a while you'll get 2. Another one of them 20th anniversaries. And I got a hockey guy, Jonathan Cowles. He was a rookie in 07. He's pretty good for the Blackhawks. Adam Lind. Got a track guy. Berkman, Gypsy Queen one. Maybe they come out every 4 or 5 packs. Another one of those 20th anniversaries. And a Roberts with a little emblem up there. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's a short print or something. Got a Johnny Bench, Kershaw, a Jabba little card. And I got Pope John Paul, subset card, and a Delgado. It's got a hit in this one. A little mini card fell out. Aaron Cook, Mike Schmidt, Todd Helton. At least it's a 2-color jersey. And a rookie of Uhara, something like that. Orioles guy. Dang, mini cards flying everywhere. That Zach Greinke, something like that. Royals guy, Gypsy Queen one. Rodriguez. Actually got him in the Astros in this one. Johnson, Upton, and then Longoria's 20th anniversary. Got a poker player. Some old Yankee, Mickey Squadron, I think it is. Jay Bruce, Paul Molitor mini, and King Griffey Jr. in the Mariners. It's a nice looking card. There it is, Tiger Woods. Good card to get. Masterson. Hopefully I'll get the mini. Got a Surfer auto. Corky Carroll, I don't know. Ted Williams little mini card. I don't know if that's a good one or not, but alright. And a Chris Johnson 20th anniversary. Let's see, Soriano, Papelbon, Ludwig, Robinson Cano, little mini card, and then I got the Yankees Sabathia. It's got a little Yankee thing up in the symbol. That has to mean something. I'm not sure what yet. Maybe I should have looked at the back of the packs. Let's see, Ramirez. I got Alexander, bareback rider. Sorry, there you go. Bobby Orr mini card. And Smarty Jones, Gypsy Queen horse card. And another one of them 20th anniversary. Longoria, Pettit, Reyes. There he goes, a nice little mini. Got Michael Jordan. Then I got an Eli Manning when he was in the Mississippi uniform. Ole Miss. Gordie Howe. Joe Poppleton, something like that. Ovechkin Mini. Best hockey player out there right now. Holiday, and then George Bush. Ludwig. Oops. And Kinsler. Lester. Got an extra hit, actually. Steve Carlton. Kind of cool. Old one. 2-color. And a Pujols MVP. So far I've gotten 4 hits, so that's nice. Oh, got a Abraham Lincoln little mini card. Yogi Berra, Gypsy Queen. Dang, another one of them 20th anniversary. And then, you know, Yogi Berra regular size. Pretty nice little product. It's not that expensive either, so get it while you can. Got Tuwitsky, Chipper Jones, Wayne Gretzky mini card. Hell, the minis are better than the little or the big ones. Goodwin presents Will Rogers card. All right, might be his rookie card. Gary Sheffield, Joe Carter, Joe Mauer, Shields, little Beltran, and then Mark Texter. Little ding on the corner right there. Upper Deck always looks out for their customers. Alright, got a Hamilton surfer guy. Bobby Wade. 2 more minis in here. Brian McCann, I believe that's who that is. And a Ford. Whitey Ford, I'm guessing. That'd be my guess. Whitey Ford. And then a Pope. 2 Popes in 1 box. Got a nice Bo Jackson retro. Got an Obama. He's in everything. David Wright. Cameron Maben, North Carolina. And Derek Lee. Last pack. Let's see. Chase Utley. Chavez. That Joe Louis mini card. Pope Benedict. And Wayne Gretzky. Thanks for watching.